Hi, I'm Valentino Rossi, and if you like our content, like and subscribe for more.
Aprilia Racing's Aleix Espargaro has big ambitions by targeting victory in the 9th race of the Catalan MotoGP series in 2022. Aleix Espargaro just looked stunning in the second free practice session at the Barcelona circuit. From these achievements, Aleix Espargaro now leads the combined results of the first day of free practice by being the fastest. With all the positive results achieved, Espargaro is now targeting to win in the race session in his homeland this weekend. "I'm not lying to you, my goal is to win this weekend," said Espargaro. "But it's going to be difficult. You have to be understanding in laying the fine line between consistency and taking risks. In Mugello, I struggled to change direction from behind Fabio Quartararo, some of the Ducati, Suzuki and KTM riders. Here there are some changes in direction. Apart from that, the performance of the engine will play an important role. I will do everything in my power to win," continued Espargaro. That big ambition can't be separated from Espargaro's appearance from the past 4 races. He took the 3rd podium in a row and consistently fought at the front. Meanwhile, he realized that he had to be wary of several competitors from Ducati and of course the leader of the MotoGP standings, Fabio Quartararo.
I don't wanna let myself down myself.